Oh, look what the FedEx guy delivered.
I hate unboxing videos, don't you? But look at what was in the box. This is my Yaesu FT-DX10, and I'm in love with it already. This is really a big upgrade from my FT450D, and I'm just learning what it can do. Well, band conditions are pretty rough today, and there's a lot of static crashes and what have you. But I did want to try to make a Parks on the Air contact.
Copy the 59, you're at 4 and 3 of 43 into western Idaho, India Delta, QSL. Roger, thank you for Idaho. I really appreciate the
All right, found the station, and let's see if we can't make contact with him.
Being out there, 73. 73, this is Kilo Juliet 3 X-ray calling CT for Parks on the Air, standing by.
Alpha Echo 0, Oscar Charlie.
Alpha Echo 0, Oscar Charlie, you're about a 5.5, 55 into Kilo 1999.
QSL, you're also about a 5.5 into Southwest Missouri. Thank you for activating in 73.
Thank you for Southwest Missouri, and I appreciate you being out there in 73. This is Kilo Juliet 3 X-ray for Parks on the Air. Go ahead.
Well, that was easy. Like I said, band conditions are pretty rough today, but I'm really happy with it. My old radio, you wouldn't have been able to hear him through the static with as bad as things are today. So now it's just a matter of logging him in on Hammers. Hi, I'm Wes, AE0OC. While I don't feel I could do this radio justice in a full review, I do intend to make a few videos with it and about it in the future. As we watch some of the prep work for Tower Teardown, I would like to announce that this channel now has over 100 subscribers, and we have set a date for the 5.9 Radio t-shirt drawing. We will do a short live stream on Saturday, March 26th at 6 p.m. Central Time and draw the lucky winner. I will continue to take entries for the drawing until noon on that day. Thank you for watching, and best of luck.